Hiya, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, we have a BMW, and the headlights on the BMW are a little bit foggy, a little bit misted up and what have you. So this video I'm going to try and sort that out. Now, there's a few ways of doing that. We can polish them, sand them down and polish them, which is what this kit is here, which I'm going to use as part of this. And that does work, but within about 6 months, probably need doing again. Now you can lacquer them, which I've done before, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to lacquer them, but in this one, unlike the other one, which to be honest with you has lasted pretty well, but unlike that one, I'm going to use 2K lacquer. In particular, 2K lacquer that has got UV protection, as it says somewhere on there. So that's what this video is. I'm going to try and refurbish them headlights on a day where obviously it looks like it's not going to rain at all, but it probably will. So let's see what happens. And to start with, let's take this shitter off, which has resulted in the exposure of loads of lost dirt. So I'm just going to use some soapy water and a micropenis cloth to just clean the area and underneath there as well. And now, with the area nice and clean, we're ready to mask up. Yes, so as you can see, there's masking tape around the light now, and it's not masked off as if I'm going to paint it because we're not up to there yet. It's just masked off around the edges to stop it if I catch it with the sandpaper from damaging the paintwork. So now I'm going to catch it with the sandpaper. And within this 3M headlight restoration kit, we've got 500s, 800s and 3000s by the looks of it. Seems to be a big jump from 800s to 3000s, but I'm not seeing anything in between. So starting with a bit of soapy water, and then this should cut through all the crap that's on there. And after quickly gone over it with the 800s, then we can see that there is some bits that we've missed because I can't get the drill into them bits. So I just have to do those nice and lovely by hand. And so that is both sides done with 500s. So next, I've got to do the same thing with the 800s, which is exactly the same to watch. And this is what it looks like after it's been done with the 800s. Exactly the same as what it looks like after you've done it with the 500s. Do this one more time. And then from the 800s we jump straight to 3000s, which doesn't actually seem right to be honest, but that's what's in the kit, so that's what it's getting. So now I need to get that with that. And after a quick wipe down and getting rid of the masking tape, that is what we're left with. Actually, we can see through the lenses again. It probably actually looks better than before we started already. But now I need to mask it all up again because I need to put some paint on it or some lacquer on it. Yes. So as you can see, I have in fact masked it all up nice and carefully off camera because it's really boring to watch and awkward to do while filming it, to be honest with you. So there we are, we masked up. I need to clean the lenses, and then I need to give them a light coat of this, which is 2K clear. As I said before, it's got UV protection and what have you. Now, there is a piece missing out of this. It should be like a ring pull on the bottom of it to pull that out. So I'll have to improvise with that. So anyway, I'm ready to put some paint on, and it looks like it's nearly ready to rain. So perfect timing. So like I said, I'm ready to put some paint or some lacquer onto there. But first I need to clean it, which I'm going to use this alcohol on a rag, and I'm just going to rub it clean. Like this. And now, I'm back to this. It's do or die, so if it's going to fuck up, it's going to fuck up now. Let's see what happens. Yes. So as you can see, it didn't fuck up, and it actually looks, in my opinion at least, it actually looks really good. And if you look really close, there is a couple of little blemishes in it. I'm not going to worry too much about them. It's as good as I could have reasonably expected. Now, when I first put the lacquer on, and I didn't show this because when it happened, I was sort of like concerned and checking out Google and stuff to see if it was normal, but the lacquer went really milky. And then, like I say, instead of filming it and thinking, oh shit, the lacquer's gone milky, I better get this in the video, I just went straight to Google to look at if it was normal. Couldn't find anything on Google to say it were normal, but it happened, and then when it dried, or as it's drying, it is clearing up. So that's been on for about 5 minutes. It should be touch dry. I'm not going to risk giving it another coat. I'm just going to demask it, and then I think I'm going to leave it at that. Yes. So now, as you can see, I've demasked it, and it looks much better. The headlights are actually shiny again. So that is a massive improvement. So I just need to see how long they stay like that for, because the lacquer I used was supposedly the best one for this. It's 2K and it's UV protection, which is allegedly what you need, but we'll find out in about a year or something. So for now at least, I think that is us done. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the usual shit. I'll see you next time. I'll just throw this on the end here actually. Now, this is the other C1, and I've done the same thing, done a quick job lacquering these headlights with the same lacquer, and I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's gone milky again. I don't know if it's showing up, but it has gone quite milky. But the BMW did the same thing, and then as it dried, it went all right. Yes. As has this. So, apart from a dead fly being stuck in it, obviously, apart from that, it's come out all right. I mean, this was just a quick job. Didn't spend as long as I did on the BMW because it was an afterthought, really. I had the lacquer left over, and this car, which I sold to my mate about 6 months ago, and he says, would you be able to throw some of that on mine? So I was like, yeah, we'll give it a quick sand up and quick mask up. And this is where we are. So yeah, this was a much quicker job, but it has actually turned out decent, to be honest with you. It turned out as good as could have been hoped for. So anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, as I already said, and see you next time.